Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone not working properly after iOS 18 update. So guys, as you all know that iOS 18 is officially released by Apple, but many of you are complaining that after updating to it you're facing an issue of some issue that your iPhones is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not working properly after iOS 18 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first and simple step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check for storage space. Ensure you have enough space, free space on your iPhone. You have to go to the settings, then go to iPhone storage and see if you need to upload apps or delete files to free up storage. After this, then if you check your battery health. If your iPhone is older, battery health might affect performance. Go to the settings, then go to battery, then go to battery health to check if the maximum capacity is significantly reduced. If it's low, consider getting the battery replaced. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings like network settings, keyboard performance, etc. So you have to go back and go to the set general, scroll down, then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone not working properly after iOS 18 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.